errors and exception. This one is important. For example, like, alright, I'm gonna talk about this first. The checked exception and the unchecked exception. So checked exception is like when you forget semicolon or something, or like the checked exception is not as harmful as the unchecked exception, because checked exception, you know the IDE, the software, the Eclipse will tell you there's an error. But when it comes to unchecked exceptions, it's like it show you. It's like you want the input to have a number, but then the user just being stupid, typing strings into that, and then it just breaks. Just this one. Check exception. My god, I don't remember what I'm doing. So essentially, like, for example, if you want, as I said before, if you want the user to if the program needs the user to input a number for it to work properly, but then the user just decide to input an alphabet, then it will break because you just cannot do anything. For example, it's like maybe a calculator, and I don't know, a better example, maybe you have a calculator app, and then you requires the user to input a number, but then the user give the input of alphabet, and then your calculator just don't know what to do, and it's just going to give you like an error, like the rate stuff, for example. Right, for example, this is like, I think this is check error. Like, if it is like this, like there's here, it is a check error. If uncheck error, I think, oh yeah, I think it's this one. So for example, so this input requires the user to input the number, and so I input a string ABC. I don't want this. Yes. So you can see with try and catch stuff, with this method it will not show like the error. If say I didn't use this one, I'm just gonna yes, look, there's no like an error. This doesn't have rate stuff over here. And if I run it, it is, see, it is error because I need a number, but I input an alphabet, so it doesn't work that way. I use this, it's looking fine. But if I have this try and catch stuff going on, I will get a message typed by me. Oh my god. Alright, see, yes, this is what I typed. This is for myself, like it's useful for me. I type there's some data error, so it doesn't show the red stuff like I've shown you before. It makes it less panicky, I think. And let's moving on section. Yeah. Then standard input output. This is, we don't really go into this because the time is over. I think it's it's already 5 o'clock, like 5:30 I think, and then the read folder, same thing. I'm not even focusing at this time. So yeah, that's the main thing. Oh my god, no, not this. That's the main thing. Not this. Right. The main thing I get is the breaking the collection, the data structure, the first class, the first lesson, because it's just how, I mean, that's what I get the most. So I think this is it. So I want to talk about this a bit more. The class is actually free. So I don't know how many classes are there, but you can go for it for free if you in Malaysia, of course. You just have to follow their page on Facebook. I'm gonna link it in the description after the live replay. I'm just gonna. They're hosting it like every 2 weeks until next year. I think like 5th January is the last class. And what happens after that? I think there's more classes, but yeah, I don't know. It's located at I don't know, it's at Cyberjaya, so you can just go and learn, you know? It's free, I mean, what else you could ask for? So I think that's it from me for today. I'm going live after this. So yeah, thank you, and yeah, bye. Thank you for watching. And just leave a like. Bye.